चलो, हेल्दी खाने के बाद अब एक्सरसाइज भी हो गई। इस बार तो वेट पक्का कम होगा। क्या तुम्हें भी ऐसा लगता है? लेट मी आस्क यू समथिंग। हैव यू एवर गॉन टू द जिम, फॉलोड अ स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट एंड काउंटेड एवरी कैलोरी दैट यू एट एंड स्टिल वेट कम नहीं हुआ? और मे बी इट डिड कम ऑफ फॉर अ फ्यू वीक्स और फिर वापस पूरा का पूरा आ गया। लिसन, तुम अकेले नहीं हो। Millions of people are stuck in this exact loop. And today, I'm going to tell you something. Your dietitian, your trainer, your doctor, nobody is telling you or talking about it. The real reason you keep gaining weight has nothing to do with your diet and everything to do with your thoughts. You know the concept of genie, right? जो भी मांगो मिल जाता है. Well, the universe works exactly like that. Every thought you think, every feeling you feel, the universe is listening. And it says what? Your wish is my command. So when you look in the mirror and think, I'm looking fat in these clothes, the universe says, your wish is my command. When you stand on the weighing scale and think, I knew मेरा weight बढ़ गया होगा, the universe says, your wish is my command. When you think, whatever I do, कुछ भी कर लूं, मेरा weight कम हो ही नहीं सकता, the universe says, your wish is my command. देखो, this is 4D world logic. In the 4D manifestation world, कोई टाइम नहीं होता, कोई स्पेस नहीं होता, कोई लॉजिक नहीं होता. There's only one thing, frequency, energy of your dominant thought. And right now, your most dominant frequency is I'm struggling, I'm unable to lose weight, I'm overweight, I cannot lose weight at all. The universe is just delivering exactly what you have been ordering. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. You create a goal. आप कहते हो मुझे 5 किलो वेट लूज करना है, मुझे 10 किलो वेट लूज करना है. Then you go to the gym thinking about weight loss. You follow your diet strictly, thinking about your weight loss. And then you look in the mirror, admiring yourself, still thinking about the weight loss. Your thought says, I want to be slim. But your feelings say, मैं fat हूँ. ये नहीं होगा मुझसे. So, thought एक डायरेक्शन में, feeling एक डायरेक्शन में, दोनों बिल्कुल opposite. And in the game of manifestation, your subconscious does not respond to what you say you want. Rather, it responds to what you feel is true. And after years of failed diets, skipped gym sessions, and even giving up, your subconscious had been programmed with just one belief. I cannot lose weight. मुझसे नहीं होगा. जब तक ये प्रोग्रामिंग चेंज नहीं होती या इस प्रोग्रामिंग को तुम नहीं बदलते, no gym, no diet will give you lasting effects. And there's one more thing nobody's talking about. Every time you decide to start going to the gym, क्या होता है? Your brain immediately pulls all the old memories, all the memories of every time you failed, every time you gave up after 2 weeks, every time you said next Monday se pakka, but never showed up, every time you could not stay consistent. And your brain says, see, you are going to fail again. So before you even put on your gym shoes, you have already lost the battle in your mind, my friend. This is why motivation never lasts, because you're always starting from the frequency of failure. So what do you actually do about this? What is the solution to this? Well, here are 4 things I'm going to share with you. Number 1, change your language. Stop saying, I want to lose weight. The word lose is negative energy. You are constantly focused on what you don't want. Instead, say this. I feel strong. I feel light. I am moving towards my perfect body. This one shift changes your entire frequency. Visualize past wins before the gym. The second one. अपने next workout से पहले just close your eyes. Don't think about how hard it will be. Instead, think हर बार जब आपने exercise की या gym किया, how amazing it felt. When you had healthy food, how proud you felt of that. Load your brain with success memories and then open your eyes and go. Third, create a present tense affirmation. Don't say, I want to lose weight. Say, today is so and so date. I have already achieved my target weight of so much. I feel light. I feel strong. I feel healthy. Live in that frequency even before the result arrives. And number 4, cover your scale with your ideal weight. Write your ideal weight on a sticky note और उसको scale के ऊपर डाल के चिपका दो. Every time you step on it, you are programming your subconscious mind towards where you are going, not where you are. Remember, जिस पे आप focus करते हो, that expands. See, weight loss is not a physical challenge. It's a mental and energetic challenge. जब तक तुम्हारा mind aligned नहीं होगा ना, your body will not follow. It will not take directions. द जिम, द डाइट, यस इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट पहले अपनी इनर प्रोग्रामिंग उसको चेंज करो. शिफ्ट योर फ्रीक्वेंसी फर्स्ट एंड सी योर बॉडी विल ऑटोमेटिकली फॉलो. इफ दिस मेड सेंस टू यू टुडे, like this video, share it with someone who might be struggling, comment below, shift, because आज change शुरू होगा.